going on, guys? It's Pokemaster Pook, and we are back here in the Pop House again today. How are all of you guys doing today? I have been having a crazy last couple weeks, guys. We have not only hit 1,000 subscribers here on the channel, but Evolving Skies is about to be coming out within the next week. We attended the Evolving Skies pre-release. There's just been so much crazy stuff going on right now, guys, and I again want to just thank you all so much for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. It truly does mean the world to me. But we are already on the way to 2,000 subscribers now, guys. We are opening up 2 packs of cards a day at least until we hit 2,000 subscribers, guys. But in today's video, I've been sitting on this for a hot minute now, but we are opening up the Sinnoh region first partner pack, guys. And just because I was like, you know what, we're not only opening 2 packs, no, we're opening up this trainer's toolkit as well. This is the new trainer's toolkit. I actually already have opened up one of the older trainer toolkits, but I don't know what comes in this trainer's toolkit, so we're gonna be busting on into this one as well. But before we do that, guys, I just want to let you guys know again that if we hit 1,250 subscribers by September 1st, guys, I'm going to be not only giving away for the 1,000 subscribers, give away all of the duplicates out of the EV Hero boxes that I pull, but then for 1,250 subscribers, guys, we're just going to take 10 of those packs and straight set them aside because they are going to be opened up for you guys. Everything that comes in those packs are going to be going out to you guys, and that is if we hit 1,250 subscribers by September 1st, guys. So if you guys are new here, make sure that you guys are hitting that subscribe button because we are going to be doing a crazy giveaway if we can get to 1,250 by September 1st, guys. So let's get ready to dive on into the items here now that we have to open. But before we do that, you guys know what time it is. We got to feature some people here in the Pop House that have used that hashtag PokemasterPook down in the comments section. So let's flip to the Train on Trainer card. Let's see who we got today. Today we got Skylar TCG. Skylar, you're being featured today because you're using that hashtag PokemasterPook. So I want to thank you so much, Skylar, for using that hashtag PokemasterPook and being an amazing supporter. As well as Old Pokeballs. Old Pokeballs, you're being also featured today because you used that hashtag PokemasterPook, man. Thank you so much. And then we also have Karina Street. Karina, you are being featured today because you have been commenting on so many videos, and each video you comment like 3 or 4 times, and I absolutely love it. Keep up with the comments. Alright, guys, so that's who all we're featuring today. Remember, if you guys want to be featured in a video too, just make sure you guys are using that hashtag PokemasterPook within your comment. Alright, guys, let's get ready to dive on into everything here. Let's see what we get. Alright, guys, here we are. We got the first partner pack, and we got our trainer's toolkit, guys. So I honestly think we're just going to take the first partner pack. We're just going to set it off to the side here for now, and then we're going to bust on into this trainer's toolkit here first. It's actually, let me grab my handy dandy little knife here, guys. We're just going to cut right down on into the side of it because, you know, we are not trying to mess around with this wrapping. But make sure, kids, ask your parents before you guys are using knives or scissors or whatever. Don't just be going and using it yourself. Make sure you're asking your parents, guys. Alright. Trainer's toolkit. Here we go. I actually forget how to open this thing. Okay, there we go. Got a little slide out guy. Just take that and toss that off to the side for now. And, ooh, okay. Got some nice looking dice in here. The black glittery with the blue big die and the Pokeball there. Okay, we see you. Ooh, look at them sleeves, my guy. Them sleeves. Let's go. Those sleeves are nice. All right, code card. We're gonna set that off to the side. Ooh, Crobat V. Look at that Crobat V, guys. Let's open this up and see what we got in here. Oh, we're already kind of like opened up on the side there. Wow, guys, look at this Crobat V. This thing is... Let's get some sleeves out here real quick. Let's get them sleeves because this Crobat looks beautiful. Plus, you guys know how I feel about the Crobat. Crobat is super useful in decks right now. Oh, bro, and we get 2 Crobats? We get 2 Crobats? Check him out. I know the light's not too great, guys. We're definitely going to be upgrading the lighting situation here very, very shortly. Check that out, guys. I don't know if you can see it up there any better. Beautiful. Now we got... And another one. Alright. Now, I'm assuming that these other ones are just going to be some awesome cards to kind of like amp up your deck. There's the Crobats. We're going to get out the star of the show real quick. We're just going to put both of them up on there. And we're going to quickly flip through these. We got Sabrina and Bryson air balloons. We got Cheryl's. We got some Boss's Orders, Escape Rope, Evolutions, Big Charms, Cape of Toughness. There's the Bird Keeper. Shout out Max V Max Plays and Panda. We got Marnie, Metal Saucer. So just a bunch of useful trainers in here, guys, that could be really useful to amp up some decks here. We got some Single Strike Energy, some Rapid Strike Energy, Turbo Patches, Karina's Focus. We got a Capture Energy and a Miss Magius. Okay. So we'll take all those. We'll just set them off to the side here for now. Set all that off to the side. And then, what else do we got? We got a bunch of energy. We got the brick of energy. And we got our 4 packs. We got Sword and Shield, Vivid Voltage, and 2 Chilling Rain packs there. Got these awesome plastic poison and burn counters there. What else we got? We got a cool little Pokemon trading card rule book. We got the Trainers Toolkit Deck Builder Guide. So we can build a full deck just straight around using this box here pretty much, guys. That's pretty cool. Which we do have the Inteleon VMAX deck box, which I'm assuming is what they're kind of showing you that you could integrate into here. That's pretty cool. Okay, we're going to take all that, throw it back into the box for now, and set this bad boy off to the side because we got some packs to bust into now, guys. Alright, so let's go into Sword and Shield base set first, if I can actually open the pack, guys, because, you know, I just cut my fingernails today and I can't open packs now. Alright. Here we go, guys. Got a little itch on the nose. And there's the code card for you guys. 4 to the front. And we are going to say Fire Energy. No. We got a Fighting Ground Energy. Followed by the Hitmonlee. With a little Hitmonchan in the background there. Team Yell Grunt. We got a Hyper Potion. Muna, all knitted up. We got the Vulpix, Minchino, Silly Cobra. We got a Krogunk, a reverse Cufant there, guys. And then what do we have for the rare in the back? It's going to be a Hollow Toxicroak, which actually is a pretty penny. That is a really good card to pull out of the Sword and Shield base set. So, let's go ahead and do a Chilling Rain pack next. Because, you know, we're still looking for those amazing rares in Vivid Voltage, so I'd kind of really like to pull one out of this box. That would be super freaking amazing. Super amazing. Okay, let's go. Chilling Rain, 4 to the front. We'll say Water Energy. No. Dark Energy. We got a Flaffy. We got a Clara. Haunter. We got the Spheal. We got a Hatenna. Followed by the Rockruff Single Strike, guys. We got a Shuppet Single Strike, a Ghastly. We got the reverse Swirlix, guys. And then for the rare in the back, it's a Go Lurk. Guys, come on now. I'm so tired of seeing Go Lurk lurking in the back. He just needs to get out of this set, man. Just take him out. No more in Chilling Rain. Get rid of Go Lurk. You don't need to be in there. Why? What part of Go Lurk is chilly? You know what I mean? Nothing. Anyways, let's go into this pack of Vivid Voltage now. I can't even get it down. What's going on there? There we go. Alright. Code card for you guys. Vivid Voltage there. And forward to the front. We'll say Fire Energy for the fire pulls, guys. No, Metal Energy. We're burning up the metal, guys. Shuckle, Delamise. We got a Trumbeak, Whalmer, Dynamo. Can we get an amazing rare, guys? Execute, Chatot, Calabapus. No, just a reverse Beedrill, guys. But that is a reverse rare there, though. We got a reverse rare, and then for the rare on the back, a regular rare Mudsdale, guys. So nothing too crazy out of the Vivid Voltage pack there. And other than our hollow Toxicroak, which actually, you know what? We're going to go back through here. The hollow Toxicroak, that was at least our one good pull. So we're gonna put him up on the star of the show here. That was at least our one good pull that we've gotten so far. But hopefully this Chilling Rain pack can come in clutch right now and get us something fancy. Let's get us, you know, the gold sleeping Snorlax or something. Gold shiny sleeping Snorlax. Here we come. Dark Energy. No, now we get the Fire Energy. Followed by a Hatterene, a Lairon, Steenie, Castform Rainy Form, Snover, Single Strike there, guys. Galarian Yamask, Shuppet Single Strike. We got a Coughing. Got the reverse Steenie now. And a Hollow Froslass. Let's go, guys. Hey, a hollow is a hollow. That is what I'm saying. You know what I mean? So we're going to put Froslass up on the star of the show there as well now. Because actually, I don't know if I've pulled a Hollow Froslass yet. I might have, but I honestly can't remember. Alright. Let's go on into the first partner pack, guys. This is going to be so fun. I love busting into the first partner packs. Here are the big jumbo cards, guys. We got the Turtwig with the 25 Pikachu stamp on there. Level 10 Turtwig. Got the Chimchar, level 8, guys. And what else do we got? We got a Piplup, level 9. That is so amazing. All right, we're going to definitely display these guys up here for now. Because why not? You know what I mean? Why not? They are beautiful. And then we're definitely going to be throwing them into the binder here later because we have all of our jumbos into the binder already. So, ooh, we got a Chilling Rain pack and then the Sun and Moon base set pack. So you guys already know how I feel about the base set packs. We're going into them first, you know what I mean? As we get a white code card out of it. You know, it's always the base set pack that they give you that has the white code card in it. It can never be the other pack that they give you. Let's go ahead and say Fire Energy just for the heck of it. No, we got a Dark Energy because darkness is the friend. We got a cool looking Hypno card there. Let me hold it back under the light. That Hypno card looks amazing. Trumbeak. We got a Rainbow Energy, guys. Snubble. Pharaoh. We got a Pikipek. Grubbin. Spearow. Got the reverse Stuffle, guys. And then for the rare in the back. Can we get something amazing out of our first partner pack, guys? Here we go. Ooh! We got a Lapras GX full art, guys. Let's go. However, the top. Oh my goodness, the top. What? Where did the top go? The top has just been like cut off completely. But that is still such a beautiful looking card, guys. Lapras GX full art. Let's go. We got one good pull out the box. Oh, not out the box, but out of the pack. That is amazing. Lapras GX full art. Even with the cut on the top there, it's still good. Still a beautiful card. Still love Lapras. Lapras is such a beautiful Pokemon. Alright guys, and last pack now of the video. Diving on into the Chilling Reign, guys. Can we get some last pack magic? As the code card is already facing you guys. Can we get some crazy last pack magic? 4 to the front. And we're going to say Grass Energy. No, we got some Electric Energy. Followed by a Caitlyn. We got a Peony. We got a Drizzly. Or Drizzle. Whichever one you want to call them, guys. Ladybug. We got a Sobble to go with the Drizzle. We got the Larvesta. Cast Form, Rainy Form, guys. Galarian Farfetch Single Strike. We got a Reverse Quillfish Single Strike. And guys, I think I might see something in the back here, even though this was a green code card. Green code card, and just to verify, Chilling Reign, there it was. I think I see something in the back here, guys. Yes! We got the Tornadus VMAX Single Strike, guys. Out of the first partner pack. So, guys, we literally just got the Lapras GX Full Art and the The Tornadus VMAX Single Strike out of the first partner pack, guys. That was a heck of a first partner pack. Wow. That was insane right there, guys. And even though the young man from the young man from SCG gave me the Tornadus VMAX already, guys, this is now a duplicate, so eventually we will be giving out one of these Tornadus VMAXs to one of you guys. That, oh my goodness, such a beautiful card. Wow. Okay, guys, that is pretty much the end of the video there. I mean, we got all of our big jumbo cards. We got our crazy amazing pulls. We got the Tornadus VMAX Single Strike. We got the Lapras GX Full Art. Frostlass Hollow. We got the Toxicroak Hollow. And then we got the 2 Crobat V promos, guys. Absolutely amazing. So, make sure you guys leave a like on the video if you guys are new here. And we will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.